Assalamualaikum and hi guys. My name is Mohamad Aiman Zamani bin Mohamad Zamri. So for this plant physiology subject, for the plant nutrient deficiency experiment, I will diagnose the nutrient deficiency in Manihot esculenta species. So did you want to know what is the Manihot esculenta species and what is the nutrient deficiency that can occur in this plant? So let's go.
Manihot esculenta, or commonly called as cassava or manioc, is a plant that is easily found grown in Malaysia. It is grown as a source of food and a traditional medicine. So, this is an example of healthy cassava plant that we can observe at in front of my house. As we can see, there is a lack of nutrient deficiency symptoms that we can observe at this cassava plant. If we observe in this cassava plant, we could observe there are three main types of symptoms that caused by the lack of nutrient that can be detected in this cassava tree, which is the chlorosis, stunted growth, and necrosis. As we can see at this cassava leaf, we can see that chlorosis occur in this leaf. Chlorosis is a yellowing of leaf tissue due to the lack of chlorophyll. It may caused by lacking of the nitrogen, sulfur, ferrum, manganese, molybdenum, chlorine, and nickel. The second symptom that we can see in this cassava plant is the stunted growth. Stunting described as a plant disease of that result in dwarfing and the distortion of young leaf. It may caused by lacking of chlorine, potassium, copper, and molybdenum. The third symptom that we can see in this cassava plant is the necrosis. Necrosis is the degenerating or dying tissue that occur in plant. It may caused by the lacking of potassium, nickel, and molybdenum.
In this observation of plant deficiency symptom, it is not precise if we just observe the symptom by state the lacking of nutrients decreased by the plant. The symptom is just a tool for us, thus we can predict the lacking of nutrients in the plant. And it is hard for us to identify the nutrient deficiency just by observing the symptom because the pseudo deficiency could happen with the visual symptoms that appear could be similar to other nutrient deficiency symptoms. The exact way to determine the nutrient deficiency in plant is by taking the tissue sample of the plant and running the test for the nutrient deficiency in the laboratory. The treatment that possibly could be suggested to cure this cassava plant from the nutrient deficiency is by using the NPK fertilizer with the ratio of 17 to 17 to 17. By using this type of fertilizer, it could overcome the lacking of three types of micronutrients for this plant, which is the nitrogen, phosphorus, and the potassium. In order to distinguish nutrient deficiency in plant from microinfection is we can see the lack of visible pathogen site and the relatively uniform distribution pattern of symptoms in the field as compared to many diseases that caused by the plant pathogen. So that's how I diagnose the plant nutrient deficiency on Manihot esculenta species. So that's all from me. Bye bye.